क्या आप भी अपनी इंग्लिश को बेसिक से स्ट्रॉन्ग करना चाहते हैं? तो इसी के लिए मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ टॉप 50 डेली यूजेज सेंटेंसेस जिनका यूज़ आप अपनी फैमिली मेम्बर्स और फ्रेंड्स के साथ में डेली कर सकते हैं। मैं पर सेंटेंस को 3 बार बोलूँगी। पहली बार मैं बहुत धीरे बोलूँगी ताकि आप उन सेंटेंस को प्रोनाउंशिएट करना सीख पाएँ, और दूसरी बार मैं थोड़ा सा स्पीड में बोलूँगी, और तीसरी बार मैं करेक्ट वे में एकदम फ्लुएंट वे में बोलूँगी। ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहले
I will call you later. I'll call you later. I am on my way. I'm on my way. I am getting ready. I'm getting ready. I will be there soon. I'll be there soon. Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. I am really tired today. I'm really tired today. I am feeling better now. I'm feeling better now. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. I am leaving now. I'm leaving now. I will be right back. I'll be right back. That sounds good. That sounds good. I need some help. I need some help. I am cooking dinner. I'm cooking dinner. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. I totally agree. I totally agree. I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you explain it? Can you explain it? Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just checking. I'm just checking. It's too expensive. It's too expensive. It's not working. It's not working. Try it again. Try it again. I am coming in a minute. I'm coming in a minute. Come here for a second. Come here for a second. Don't shout. Don't shout. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. It's too hot today. It's too hot today. I agree with you. I agree with you. Give me one chance. Give me one chance. I am in a hurry. I'm in a hurry. Take your time. Take your time. Let me check. Let me check. Don't waste my time. Don't waste my time. Keep it up. Keep it up. I'm proud of you. I am proud of you. Please sit down. Please sit down. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Don't repeat it. Don't repeat it. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I am feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. What happened? What happened? Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Let's eat together. Let's eat together. It's getting late. It's getting late. Give me some water. Give me some water. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself.